What's good with y'all, man? It's your boy KP coming back at y'all another video. Hope y'all having a good day today, man. It's always a good day for me when I get a package in, and today I did get a package in. That's why we dropping this video. I don't know if anybody was tracking it, but you know, Dapper Dan, he did do that collab with GAP. So I think what he dropped hoodies. So he had a black one, he had a yellow, I think it was like a pinkish color. I think there was another one, I think it was blue. Can't remember all the colors, but yeah, man, they did like a pre-order a few months ago. And it's crazy because, I mean, the hoodie was like $80, $85, something like that. Actually, no, it might have been 90. I don't remember. I know it was like around $80 to $90, but it was a pre-order. So got in, got the hoodie. They went ahead, they processed the payment, and then it came back to me. Well, I looked on my account and the payment was gone. So I thought that the hoodie price, I thought that the hoodie was gonna be basically not coming to me, but kind of find out, get an email from GAP. They're like, oh, your hoodie should be on the way, da 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 da. So I guess it was just pulling money temporarily just to lock in that pre-order, and then they just shipped it out after the fact. I don't know, but yeah, man, did get the package in today. It's crazy because prices on StockX were going like crazy numbers. Like it was some ridiculous numbers, bro. Like I think it was a pre-order, so I know people weren't actually getting the hoodies, but I saw some prices going for like 600, 700, like on some crazy stuff, man. Like I mean, that's too much. That's way too much. But yeah, man, we did get the package in today. It kind of opened up a little bit, but I said, man, I'm gonna go ahead, unpackage this with y'all. So, got this little coupon, little $100 voucher. I don't know, some wine voucher. I'm not using it, but yeah, man, let's see what we got. We got, damn. They over here giving all types of gift cards and all types of shit, man. But yeah, packaging, it did just come in this right here. So we did get the that packaging. Damn, package coming out all open. So yeah, man, y'all see it right here. I did get the black one. I feel like the black one was the one to get just because it go with everything. It's not something that really stands out. It's subtle. Retail one is actually $98, so y'all see it right there. I don't know if y'all can. Yeah, man, so it's $98. I did get an XL, so I don't know how it's gonna fit, but y'all gonna see, man. I'm pretty sure it's gonna fit though. But yeah, y'all see, black hoodie, nothing really crazy to it. It's a plain black hoodie. The letters on it is like, it is a navy blue, which in the pictures it looked like it was navy blue, but I couldn't really tell. You know, pictures sometimes they really don't go in detail with it. But yeah, man, instead of it saying GAP, it's got that DAP. And this joint hard. It was a must pick up for me. For people that don't really know who Dapper Dan is, he is a fashion designer. I think from Harlem. So like back in the day, like back in like the 80s and 90s, he used to take like old Gucci or like something, like he'd take like Gucci products and make his own thing, like do his own thing with the clothes. So I'll probably drop some pictures of some things that he's done. But yeah, man, like people in today's time, they'll like get stuff still made by him. They'll get suits, they'll get different things. He actually had a collab with Gucci, so that was pretty dope for him to technically be doing like knockoff like clothes and jackets and all of that stuff. Yeah, man, he had like a really big impact on the hip-hop culture back in the 90s, so like 80s and 90s. So yeah, people really used to go to his shop and get stuff custom made, get the Dapper jackets and all that. So yeah, man, everybody back in the day, they was getting fresh by that man. But yeah, I've seen some things like the baby, he had like a suit made by him, all types of stuff, man. So I felt like it was only right to go ahead and just snag one of these and get it for the culture. You know what I'm saying? I mess with all of his work, you know what I'm saying? I wasn't paying for the Gucci, but I could afford the Gap, you know what I'm saying? I could afford the Gap, but yeah. I'm gonna try this joint on though and see how it fit. I don't really know how, I haven't had Gap since I was like young, man. Like literally haven't worn Gap in forever. I ain't gonna lie to you. But materials on it feel pretty straight. Yeah, this joint, I really got the perfect size, I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, it's like a standard hoodie, man. It's not like a thin quality. It's a pretty good quality hoodie. Inside does have like the kind of fuzzy lining. The material on the logo on the DAP, it's more like that carpet type feel, that carpet type puff print. But yeah, this joint hard, man. But yeah, this joint fire, bro. This joint definitely fire. I'm messing with it. It ain't really too much to the hoodie. I just wanted to unpackage it with y'all just so y'all could see how it look. In case y'all looking at getting one. I just looked at prices on StockX because I wanted to see how it was since all the orders started going out. And right now I think prices are sitting like around like $100 or something like that. So yeah, the prices, I don't know where those prices, I don't know what they thought they was doing, putting them up for like $700, $800 for hoodies that was a pre-order. I don't know. Whoever paid for it, whoever thought it was gonna be a lick like that, hey, I feel bad for you because they only going for like $100 now. But yeah, hopefully if y'all did want to get this junk, y'all were able to pick it up. I did want to get the yellow one. I just knew I wasn't gonna really have too much to wear with it. They had a pink one as well, and I think all of those had like the navy blue lettering on it too. But yeah, in my opinion, nice hoodie. It is hot right now, so this is just going in the closet. I'm in Turkey. It's like averaging 100 degrees every day. It's humid as hell. I'm not about to be wearing this hoodie no time soon. Like, this is about to go in the closet. I'm gonna break it out. You know what I'm saying? I'll break it out at some point during the winter time, or if it's like a chilly night or something like that. But other than that, this shit going in the closet. Yeah, man, ain't really too much more with this junk. If y'all didn't already, make sure y'all go to my channel. Make sure y'all watch that last video that I dropped. I did that early review on those Citrus 7s. You know, those joints coming out, I think like August, was it August 13th? Like a retail price of like $200. So make sure y'all go ahead, go to the channel, check out that early review and on feet on those joints. If you haven't already, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. If you haven't subscribed, make sure y'all please do that, man. Please do that. I'm trying to hit this 1K mark. So I'm trying to just bust out content, trying to make sure I give y'all some good content, not just giving y'all some BS just to get videos out, but making sure that I do kind of give y'all something that might be watchable. But yeah, man, go ahead, subscribe, like the video. If you're messing with the channel, please do that for me. And stay tuned. I do got some more heat coming. Yeah, I got some heat coming, man. Just stay tuned with me. So yeah, until the next time, man, y'all be easy. I'm gone.
Man, hit the motherfucking